So I'm at the airport. Gonna be boarding in a little bit here. I'm super excited. See you guys all on the other side. Cali, here I come. And we are at the New Year, waiting to pick up our badges. They're taking forever. It's so cold. Look, look, there's palm trees behind me. Ah! I'm so happy. I see palm trees. Yeah, it's so cold.
I know, right?
But look at the palm trees.
But we're her presents.
It is. It's so cold, but it's okay. So I'm here in T-Chad's music room. Dude, this setup is so awesome. He's got foam pads all up on his walls, beautiful posters, and got the mic and stuff here. Dude, Kikula! You know what I would give to have a setup like this? Oh my goodness. Such a beautiful room. Every artist dreams of. I would kill for something like this. Hanging out at T-Chad's house right now. T-Chad! And that was so ugly!
What was that?
And then David.
I could be a voiceover for Home Adult movie.
You fucking could be. I would laugh so hard.
And Zoe.
Hi.
They made me take a shot. I feel it. It's Friday night and I'm about to head off to sleep. It's gonna be a very long, busy day tomorrow. I will be wearing some Thai clothes and then on Sunday some Hmong clothes. I want to show a little pride for our Hmong community. I spent the majority of the night hanging out with a lot of the other artists. It was great seeing them again in the same house. Kind of brought me back to when we were hanging out together during July 4th and at the Labor Day Festival in Green Bay. But, you know, sadly can't hang out all night. We've got work to do. So here I am, ready to drop off to sleep because I gotta get up at 5 in the morning and get ready. So I will see you guys on the other side. End of the day. We are leaving, gonna go party tonight at YDR, and maybe Yo's party. I don't know. We'll see. See how red my nose is? It's so cold here.
Oh, I went the wrong way. You're going the wrong way, Sheng. Goddamn, there's a party. Yeah, you're going the right way. We would have left that way.
I'm going the wrong way. House and we are getting ready to go to the United as One party. They actually got a limo for us. Oh, limo service to the party. I feel so first class. You know what that means. We got everybody in here getting ready to go. So I'll see you guys later. are at Paradise Restaurant getting some pho. Got the whole
My sugar baby like his thing
got
on
Derek, David,
Sugar daddy and Matt.
You should check out Sugar Daddy last night. They were getting him money.
What?
Like I was getting
Who was
him
getting money?